If you are like us, there is no better feeling than getting your hands in the dirt. Gardening is as rewarding as it is enjoyable. Avellina Garden Tools is proud to announce a tool to make your gardening work easier and more productive, without the use of chemicals. Introducing the Avellina Planting Tools, available in 4 great colors. The original Avellina Garden Planter. So what does it do? It's been said that you should always use the right tool for the job. The garden trowel is not the most effective tool for digging holes to plant your new seedlings. A garden trowel leaves a hole that is misshapen and fast draining. By contrast, the shape of the Avellina planter matches the shape of the seedling container. This improves connectivity with roots and slows draining. Look at how the hole made with the Avellina seedling planter fits the root ball perfectly. Now let's compare the drainage rates for a hole made with the Avellina seedling planter and one made with the garden trowel. The difference is pretty amazing, keeping the water where your plant needs it. The Avellina seedling planter is versatile, creating multiple hole types and sizes with one amazing tool. With one tool you can make large round, small square, and large square holes, depending on the pot size. Also great for making holes for seed plantings. Get your original Avellina seedling planter today.